Hello. Today I teach you exercise of lesson 2, the wise caliph of English of class 10 of Sindh textbook board Jamshoro. The lesson 2 is the wise caliph. Question is exercise B. Learn the spellings learn the spellings and meanings of the following words and use 10 of them in sentences of your own. This is the exercise of this book, English class 10, the lesson 2, the wise caliph, exercise B. The words are afford, winced, claim, puzzled, pronounce, disguise, dismount, dispute, lent, limp, motion, knee, snort, swear. These are the words from the lesson. Whenever we are asked to use the word or words in sentences of our own, first of all, we should see what part of a speech the word is. Then we should use it in the sentence. As first word is afford. Afford. It is verb. Suppose he is very poor, so he cannot afford to get a higher education. I cannot afford to buy a bungalow or a car because I don't have much money, so I cannot afford to buy it. In this way, we can use the word in our own sentence. The second word is winced. It is also a verb, but it has already been given in second form. Means we should use it in second form. Winced. As in the lesson, we learnt that the horse winced when the beggar touched it. In this way, you can use this word in your own sentence also. When I touched him, he winced. Claim. Claim. This word can be a verb as well as a noun. You can use it as a verb or as a noun. Claim. If we want to use it as a verb, let's make 3 forms of this word. Claim, claimed, claimed. As in the lesson, the rich man and the beggar both claimed on the horse. Whose claim was true? It is a noun. The claim of rich man was true. It is a noun. Puzzled. It is a verb. Puzzled. I was puzzled. It is odd behavior. As the rich man said that he was puzzled when the beggar claimed on the horse. Pronouns. This is also verb. Pronounce, pronounced, pronounced. The caliph pronounced a just decision. As the Qazi said to the caliph that you will pronounce a just decision. Disguise. Disguise can be both noun as well as verb. You can use it as a noun or as a verb. The Caliph Harun Rashid disguised at night. Disguised, it is a verb. The Caliph Harun Rashid went through the streets of Baghdad in disguise at night. In disguise, here it is noun. Dismount. Dismount, it is a verb. Dismount means to get down. The beggar refused to dismount the horse. Dismounted. In this way you can use it in your own sentence. Dispute, it is a noun. There was a dispute between a rich man and a beggar over the horse, over the ownership of the horse. There is a dispute between the two brothers over the property left by their late father. In this way you can use this word in different ways. Lend is a verb. Please lend me your book. Please lend me your book. Motion, this is noun as well as verb. The fan is in motion. He made no motion. He motioned to me. It is a verb. He made no motion, it is a noun. Knee, the horse kneed with pleasure when the rich man touched it. Snort, the horse snorted with pleasure when the rich man touched it. Swear, as the beggar said that he could swear that the horse was his. Swear is a verb. In this way you can make a sentence of your own. Thank you very much.